Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the devices. Plug your Apple Watch in and confirm it has 20% or more battery. You need stable power to avoid corruption. Once done, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so the watch can reconnect. If the watch is frozen, force a restart by pressing and holding the side button and digital crown together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary software glitches and often brings the device back quickly. If a restart didn't work, unpairing and updating is the next step because it refreshes firmware and settings. You'll go to the Watch app on your iPhone, select your watch, and choose Unpair. Doing so automatically creates a backup on your phone so you don't lose data. Once unpaired, pair the watch again and check for a watchOS update in My Watch Right Arrow General Right Arrow Software Update. Updates fix known bugs and improve stability, so install the latest version when available. When updates don't resolve the issue, perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent software problems. On the watch, go to Settings, Right Arrow General, Right Arrow Reset, Right Arrow Erase all content and settings. After the reset, repair with your iPhone and restore from the backup made during unpairing. This brings back your data while removing corrupted system files. If the watch remains problematic, it's likely hardware-related. Contact Apple support or an
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.